Good morning everyone. So another day, another vlog. So for today, I'll be working on a big bonsai. Not so big, but it's big for me because my strength to carry is not, don't have any capability to carry. So I'm just using my stroller so that I can bring my bonsai materials on my working table. So we'll proceed and get my bonsai. So this is the materials. So I just put this into my stroller. It's very heavy, so I just put it's out because the stone is too heavy and the pot is heavy. Then I just take off all the roots. I need to get a scissor. So at least I arrived at my working table safe. So I just left the pot over there because it's too heavy. So this bonsai materials, I supposed to work on 3 bonsai materials, but for my video for today, I just work on this to be shared to my viewer and subscriber because it's the other one is too heavy. It is times 3 bigger than this one, and the other one is smaller. So I chose this one because there are plenty of already what they call this wire penetrating on the branch. So these materials I plant this in the stone. This is already very small before, then I just dig a drill, and the stone of this one is big up to here, this area. Then it is break by this root, so that's why this is the remaining. So I am planning to break the stone, but instead I'm breaking, I just leave it because same thing, it is not common to find materials that grow in the top of the stone. We'll start to defoliate this one so that I can remove the wire. This bonsai materials is abandoned for how many years, then that's why there what is sa itong area to dapit here, there's a truck supposed to be on cascade, but it's happened namatay. So I just leave it for how many years. That's why the leaves of this one is not small, it's natural, but the hard got hard to grow because they are on the top of the stone, then their water or their nutrients is limited. Tapos ko na na-defoliate, tapos dahan-dahan ako tanggal ng wire. So may share ako sa inyo, this area, nagtaka ko bakit hinihiwalay ko ito dati, yung mga sanga nito, tapos ito dito, tapos ito pag ganyan dito. So nakita ko ngayon na naisip ko na natumba ito doon, tapos binalik na lang nila, kaya ganito ang itsura. So ipo-focus ko para makita nyo anong nangyari tapos may tumubo pa na ugat dito, nahila ulit tuloy siya. So tinanggalan ko na dito ng wire, or I already take off all of this wire. Then just before when I finish this wiring, the form of this one is go like that, and this one is sprayed over here, and this one, some trunk of here is sprayed. Then it's happened that it's cooling down for how many years. That's why this is now the form. I will show you the focus of this plant. So this one here is supposed to be, then we will cut this root like that. So the formation of that one should be like that, up a little. Then this one is spread over here, this area. But it happened that these branches is already going down. So I will rewire this again, take off the wire and rewire it again. I just do a time lapse so that my video is not too long, because it's so boring that I make a video too long. Then it is some of the things that I am sharing is not so important. Just sharing what I did every day. So just use time lapse. By the way, I would like to thank to all my viewers and subscribers that they always watch my video, even though my video is not nice, not beautiful, but I'm so happy that they did not leave me, and they always watch my video. So once again, thank you very much to my viewers and subscribers who continue your support to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. So I continue on sharing, even though I cannot make a beautiful video or a nice video, because this is the only video that I can share in my life here in my little city in the Philippines. So I try to do some changes of the form of this one, because it's very hard, because before this is a cascade, then it happened that it's pulled down. That's why the form is deformed. So I cannot continue wiring of this one because I short of wire. So I need to look for other bonsai materials there that can the wire be recycled. I will take off some bonsai materials here, because I need some plenty of small wire so that these mga small branches can be spread out. So this is just my second wiring of this abandoned bonsai materials. So just sharing, this is the only things I can make it quite a little beautiful or guwapo gamay. So mo rin ako makaya sa aking pagbubonsai araw-araw dito sa aming bahay. So for this morning, just sharing, just continue this wiring. After siguro makita ko og mga wire, or I will find some wire surrounding in my home. So once again, thank you very much for watching, just sharing my daily routine of my bonsai journey in my life. So God bless you all. Have a nice day. Good morning once again. Bye-bye.